This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Esther Vogt. Location, location, location. Beautiful, updated 3.5 bath townhome plus laundry room and extra room as a 4-bedroom, available for rent after November 1, 2024. New spacious kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, updated throughout, fence patio. Minutes away from shopping centers, Dania Pointe, Broad Walk Hollywood Beach, Hard Rock, Tide Park, Fort Lauderdale Airport, Synagogues, Churchies, Kosher restaurants and stores and so much more. Great for family with pets. Pet-friendly area. For more information, review the details below.